At 4:50 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Glenview, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Glenview, Buffalo Grove, O'Hare Airport, Wheeling, Park Ridge, Northbrook, Elk Grove Village, Niles, West Town, Lakeview, Irving Park, West Ridge, Lincoln Park, and Chicago Loop. Including the following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 73 and 84. Interstate 94 between mile markers 26 and 50. Interstate 294 between mile markers 26 and 50. This includes Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Open Community College, Northeastern Illinois University, Northwestern University, Wheatley Field, and the Loop. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. Significant
God
weather
damn.